Mustapha Hamid 50 counts charges are the abono na be extortion be so ye sika fa den sase or nipa and so ne kan ho ne yabo mo charge and run the who say Mustapha Hamid Akufo Addo court say charges are OSP the abode nyina court no montum
I say OSP BM na tap so say ka kire o tap case ni so say no but I think say accountability that be make say on mind we be here. That is the only thing that can save us. Because we cannot create a free right society where people rise to political prominence and that becomes their ticket to wealth. Nobody checks obia. Kwanya fast or winya sika obia and check obia. Basa incentivize a lot of people. So mensu minyina as a uko school now when be kasa minyina person me politics. I see politics is an occupation. Because who say obi kom no wako wiya kwa ye. Nobody checked anybody. And I think that in the society you cannot give that open check destin create such an open check politics arena for people to operate. It is that and as ye jina so na ye make sure say ayeda yan adwumadi de be she dipansa but say the she dipansa na say onam kwan so whether willfully or foolishly cause financial loss to the state that person must answer. And it is in that spirit and Ghana for nyina come together in the 2024 election car say abina na ekoso no ed bokro no wia sika. There were just mere allegations even though there were traces of evidence and but then some investigations have been conducted and we've come to the realization say the na yedi ani hunu kra the san na yam kra de but two people can sit at national service near the ensabo man sikam who over 2 billion. That 2 billion no it is a whole town abrabo now afa no they ato no ho obia enyo obia hwe MP some of the corruption cases alcohol because I have one arena sika fa because it's a petroleum hub no say for them and these people felt to say they were part of a government or nobody hold anybody accountable na esoro kra we are now what MP do we are there what I say so my catcher say and Akufo Addo there were enough motivation for people to plan that without recourse to law order no bia nsuro bia and then metimi sa niema we sisi ye no enti where we are now no the new dawn no must give people reason to have hope once again in politicians because we got to the bottom low where be politician the Ghana for ya na eye because either you be who's away from for and answer we saying that was the straight understanding Ghana for about obi or a politician but I think that this is the time for us reverse that narrative that trend who say there are people who go into politics with a dignified purpose to serve the people not to steal. That is the only way to me I'm motivating young people coming. No more a different understanding about politics. And to do so, no, we need to establish the conventional red lines in the Sunday and country amount for say the 2 million amount. But there would be a boroswa or mine no bedi. Elsewhere, might be a way ye biano, our punitive sanctions are eguho, usro. In China, obey the Kasawako for my secret idea. One kasakwa uyem sese wusuro. That is the kind of fear we must create here. Enti the attorney general today will give another brief. We want to hear how far some of these things have gone. Now you're making sure that these criminal cases in the SEC will not just be in the news, will not just be me court my back. What is the real update? Ghana for want to see the back of people in jail and that is the only message we can use to convince people say and the political narrative necessary there will be consequences for you because Mustapha Hamid Obakaya on a year press conference besu with TV so as if say Odo Ghana ama and then go and see in the life for changing because he became MPA boss all kono na obi a headmaster our secondary school bi watama sa teacher has been teaching for 20 good years in here. Make us say Ebia Toyota Corolla Crown to be Toby. But because somebody within a short stay by a way, or the other fan why not because of the salary, but of our Quenya we are contract people around him just to ensure say and the MPP na be who so be CEO and Akufo Addo no be create company na on ankasa kwa TV create company hanani ono ankasa o create company na yere na se for na no create how weak the mind is when it comes to some of these things. So yeah, I think that accountability there and no can who be na Ghana for their kunwa share John Mahamansa makasa in the last 4 years Ghana for empathy, but they want to see say where we are a sika yaji a sika odam, where we are a sika yaji odam. That is the only message Ghanaian will take, and we cannot move away from that. So accountability there, we cannot run away from. So the Attorney General on Shane Sapomunso. Now, because a man in front of him, special prosecutor, and also President says the office should still exist. That's fine. By making sure, say the occupant, whether he will be removed or not, the office become very efficient. Now, on fan and sanko tape cases, so cases in the no dimika gigi no akofa no a case in useless. Cecilia Dapaa case, the state of that particular way, not that case was a great case. Very good case. You bet me prosecute because I don't know $1 with them so baby sika no free and no we needed to know. And my catcher say and am say adwene mu hantino otimi sanya kokoduro ko police station ko report say no dollars go dem cromfo be wia we nyansania wo nyasa because we ntwa dollar sika na gu dem no ya fansa wo nya open sesame na o ka say wo chante ba sika ba Ghana for sika we are not able to tell people where that money came from. Otchere and his people came with some stupid justifications. The not the American Treasury. What I say, not such a good case. You have case, case. You back and forth. The same special prosecutor, Ken Ofori Atta, and this case is, Ghana for vested interest. We cannot let them slide. Now you can say, and now we hear the narrative now. They are seeking to change all the focus from this. Now we are one bomb man, one bomb man. Dream say, oh, I know I need to be catch you. Be say, your friend say, Ghana force you rise against the court. When Cornwall one bomb at that hole, a mine within the woman or mine or crowd who hear my move for a brimanium or move. At the expense of these impoverished people, and today you have the moral justification to come and be making noise. And I think the moral audacity on their part in Ankasa is very shocking, and it tells you the kind of people they are. So for me, I think that the state must move in and prosecute these sensitive cases because we cannot move without it. Over the years from 2017, basically, Akufo Sika PDS and President Akufo can be. Also, or not as a former president or tin channel, to know or TBSF and the PDS. But I need to become a mind Sika Bra man for while we hear some of the Kosi Cathedral. And Abrante years pause, which has all kind. Also, walk up and I buy in a year, Jehono. So, Okona Owe, ne cap, ne Sisuna. FIFA Bema $50 million. Sikasa ne dikutu amana.
97.
97 boy.
And so
and almost work up ya winning you sika. And this is how Ghana for don't value some of these things. What and this has kind of dikutu amana no. And kaya work up ya koboy yaji asiaji biem. And who sika na de kwaya sa nkwase adwuma na ya dikutu amana e wo cathedral no. And bisa wo say ya say work up na ya kon sika beba fie betimi da bra papa. Sa sika na de bia kwasha form. More than that as a form. Now we are going in here, you don't have a sense of shame and you want to support this in some way, say because I am a party. You see, in some way, can you say time will be but these are the house rally because Sika Okoma, Makata say Ghana for a transnet near my yard. You bet me Sikadia, boy, a hombra, I'm a yet young person, Biaka Okroma, you have unemployment benefits, you bet me my young people call Sika Okroma. In the Abana saying because you can walk up giddy $50 million. What you cap at the amount? Yeah, the more than $50 million. Oh, Chroma saying, and the mind against our heifer, and we sit here and we glorify some of these things, and these things happen, and you are telling me, say, yeah, some of these things should not be prosecuted. No, we need to prosecute these people just to send loud message to people out there. Say, or mind the shower sir, open exercises, stupid discretion. You will pay for that because on mind sick no, you fund needs a munu. The mere fact that doesn't mean that we don't need such a a privilege. President now choose you and to do that then diligently. You don't mess the nation up based on your stupid discretion, stupid decision, and the minor allusion. We can't do that. So for me, corruption cases in Akufo Addo no are widespread. Na me bisa mo senti ono ene wadi 80 years plus. Otifie no ohwe TV. Na ohun niam hu na course na mamuomu a ni tibuade na ka kire no. It tells you say nipa no more criticizing obi en ho no tan no. But amombo fu amombo tan no be no. Ehun sunsun so nie cause abai wa tietia we timi tena ya fan say national service note me atam sa sika we asibe ya so kokuma se na ye KMA boss so man abrabo okobon no ho no ene ye promote no de ne ba national service ene obato aso kromfo keto anyina be kromfo kase ene ye wi o man no left right center because Ken Ofori Atta was busy doing his own thing, the president and his family people were doing their own thing, minister obi ye ne de ene ya turn the country into a crime scene. And for me, I think that this is the time for us. Now you make sure say you changing the narrative because you been here 4 years away. Now said no single person has been prosecuted. And Ghana will be very disappointed. It's the reason why I am urging the Attorney General prosecution. That is the language Ghana want to hear because we cannot sit here and be talking for 4-8 good years, accusing people, see corruption here and there, and nothing happens. I say, state endorse sa nema no. Sa nema no so na be boy because say obi wi na yan kana hwea, obi so ene e wa aban mu a. There is enough motivation. Oh, na dey na be see. What I say, sikas ya the boy mine ho bra no obefa. Ba nsiran kanya me say, John Mahama ba 8 months to almost 1 year near. Ye nhu any case of corruption and as a scandal bia. Ghana for so for me that is a positive sign. I wish we can sustain that. You bet me build the confidence in Ghana because so with the analysis of my major concern you building trust and confidence in Ghanaian because that is the only thing ever save on my way. Is the reason why I was telling the High Court and as a for judgment of whatever they should make this in you don't just dish out judgment as Sabinyansa be and Bakachi will be say, cover 20 billion within 2 hours, Faber and Sana. Does it make sense? What I say? Oh, yes, I know. Oh, my Ghana for a man for dear with a whore. Obimati say, oh, the Ghana, they assemble or we cannot get there, you understand? So if you are dishing out willing, men dish out Sabi and Kwasa will never Ghana for making sure that willing in because the whole essence of justice dispensation is to hold society together. We ruling bo maya, we are mamboy for. And these are some of the things that we need to do. So across all state institutions, we need to preach and show say due diligence will happen everywhere. You don't continue baby. A human in your mama, your papa, your busia, community, do a basis. So, was some now Rollins a crow 20 years and over and from President Akufo and that or in which or can't also can't some man from far. It means it doesn't matter the power you rise to today or China President Mahamadu, he is president today or China or better will be for Abba. What I say, power is transcendent. But when you are there, what day, if people decide they will use that power to mess up, we need to mess them up first because my country says state, you cannot be weak. You cannot be dishing out because you are merciful. The very moment you do that, that is your end. Because human beings are always dangerous and we will always click to our destructive best when we get opportunity and the incentive. As a state, it is our job to take away this incentive and opportunity just to make man say there are consequences. Then you go consequences. One kasa one more papa over to Jamasho. No, na ya reketwa. Over time, because on to Jamasho no. Consequences ketwa. So I just say you believe in that particular way. So as a state, if we do away with that, we will create a chaotic, horrible society where poverty will triumph and the strongest will thrive. We cannot create that society.
Absolutely.
No crow will say, and your mommy and said, my NDC Dapaa, galamsey fight, corruption, and a human. That your mommy is a woman refia, and into the United Party. Ghana for a wide awake. Corruption and a need you into my party. Make I say, O man penny, ever coffee, dear friend, Ora, operation recover all Luchu.
Yeah,
I know the talk of 48. But I'm saying, and go for me, a war, a bam, they are still living in the past, say, a business as usual.
Yeah.
And the date here, the 18th of December. And can normally, a babia buffafra, by the 7th month, Jáil old administration in Semno. Can you get SC, new one. And my politicians are brand new, Brebiano, Omuya Sikako. towards a real old one and no more cotton scarso. But because the Ghana for no, if he said, and you may be see and the Akufo Addo, under no circumstance was a man called punishment, 18 December, you so can't the old administration. You better can't him say the right thing will be done. Memo beyond gaslight, Monka say, I then a moody awoke more to hey, Usika go do people to move Jago. That is the only way Obia or what Bemus Siano. You bet me in as I say, Obia, you better kino. Mustapha Hamid. He's so arrogant and bold and just to label because my captain says I'm OSP. We know 1 year not getting so bad. Wow, my 1 year not getting and consider bay. Na young cancheramu. Eti akwani kana no apply for passport. When there was also court, young kwasi, na you know go free. Yesi kan so ayira. Enuti e wo se Ghana for no e ma ye ni bre ye de ni e hwe OSP no. Me de maka se on free home. Mo se mo de mo be so so a. Can you go? Never 2028, you know, you go back to the people and explain.
Yeah.
Say corruption cases in the was now send here for commentators. Kwabena Agyapong in case, you know. Have you been following it? No, what's the number? No, my state, you know, witness not cassette state or will prepare the minds of the people of this country. Say they be accepting any bogus ruling. But hey, they have to know that the people of this country will allow that. Young man conform the fire seeker, and I must see two fraud boys. I say, sir, game boys, you almost get dangerous to say politicians are almost billions. Omodeko. Who be here? You didn't because what lie, Senaba, we now be. And the state must be serious. The authority was no baby fear.
No baby.
Now say, what shall say? Now, oh, yeah, minim a drew hono, wash a die, do baby and what that way, Mr. Attorney General, I am going to say, oh, yes, because we are not yet doing anybody's bidding.
No.
So be that I will say, what you are doing is the right now. You are wrong on it. Brief the people, let the people know what is happening. Because corruption is saying, see, Jim and to me, Masia Kobo be 13.5 billion from the international market. And to me, that ye nim the idea. And to me, Masia just Sika 52 billion. They are got non account to tax. You now, yes, Sika, ye Ayira, ye nim the idea. Now, ye are, ye say, sanity. Abra de Bia, ye nim Bukrani, ye did what. Yes, no way, no. And to Mustapha Hamid, mono, 22nd. Jáil no fa de nyoma Attorney General monko kan laws ni yi kire wo mo na monti ase se obi a wadi esika bi o se hwe na nsem negotiation bi e koso mo dem betwa mu negotiation ba yesu be kasa kire Ghana for no see de there say boys na wo for bo no de ye kan wo mu tie ni ye omo say politicians obi nyanya tumia na dwene asesa o Ghana no ho kese o what comfort zone. You cannot be in your comfort zone. Abra accommodating comfort. Abra comfort near you my. Na nina ko we say. Sika was a kid to me the baby you mama be anya bi no. Okwabra ne na busu afa sika no. Dom dia show bottom. No mo dia show bottom. Na yes enko from honorable. You are not honorable. You are dishonorable. Say, what any be taxi drivers kaya yefo a teacher for sika boja obi adwuma wo yen kakraka yagigi sa giemfa nko ya adwuma okwabana ne dia ofre no honorable esan say o ma o kakra di you think you are a so every corruption case remember the Attorney General has been accused by A1 before so you're corrupt. Don't let anybody have that nose. He said and he must go after those that have shortened this country.
Okay.
And yes, sir, that will be the end of our democracy. John Mahama last administration, and then they make me restore confidence. And to watch Ghana for no man and mom, we see it is a panda ubia, or beside the Biacamo. Almost the mom, yes, I'm one of almost see when you may be brought, say, I can't say, MMDC crank, you better swabber.
Yeah.
when you overwhelming majority, yes, if you really mean business, then you amend the constitution with it, and you may be a yes, you are quite. Say president, you have more immunity. Can't be a look on your Kwaku Tuamna or sorry, now you the motorcade didn't him, now or sounds so just salary, a quick photo, just salary. Just say, yeah, Bonabasso say about Miss Man. The Joe Mino. Is that the country you want to build? No, I don't go like that. Somebody for the responsible. Somebody for you, somebody free. Oh, invest. Among quad, you bedroom or so. Or Mamma Brabaya, Diamond Jima. I don't want to say we are. I don't want to see Angie also. Some of us are not going to do that. Yebeka Kopemra, the last bloody nest. It be free. Near ye, damn Juma. Oh, better now car. But now will be a cognac so. Actually, that's the Yaquano about Damocasa because when we are minor, and I almost said, yeah, and I make catch us electoral commission. No, I just sent us, I say, well, yeah, the money, Jane. Papa Ben, yeah, Tom, your friend is a tourism authority, as I say, a man. Penny for the woman, as so much a chill of minor. Afa, Anna, Yanni, dear children, over the ISA spectators. Now, the spectators very soon will become the leaders if they don't know. His son said, Kakaka Krasanyo, we are in the day before day. Eba, you never say, yeah, we are. And you know, Uncle 22nd, no. I mean, it was Attorney General, the Atta, which is Supreme one, OSP, no more than ye. Yes, sir. Send you now, I've a tapping man. Or Betapple. So, 2 minutes now, or Betapple to say, President in your reshuffle. And they are even calling for the resignation of a land minister.
Reshuffle.
Aye, almost a president in your reshuffle.
And I make us say, oh, politics no one. Baby, I drew no sound cross and politics na paho. Yet now, Kroma. I have as a Ken Ofori Atta now, finance ministry for how many years?
7 and more than half years.
Or no one can say the party for a sort of coordinate say on Pamno or a day see. You see, these are jokers who should not be taken serious. And I make us a no way, your politics walk who they walk some make Kenyans as some, Nanyans as 20 party. John Mahamadu Ghana for their Kunya manager on running, and what you see the ministers. Or feeling dissatisfied or better say Obi. But now what's in China, point your man is on Obi. In a coming from opposition, the person will not even take it. Because who do you, yeah, so why would you tell me, perform based on what? You are subscribing to a particular data that has been conducted, and based on it, you know, this minister, the performance, because of this test, you know, we suggest to say the president should sack her. It makes sense, then criticize it. But you just wake up, today, you have the moral audacity to call Obisa and Sake. Land minister no more can say no. You see, I think that Obi Woha Ohia Basoba Ayonoa. Do you know why? It's one of the most difficult sector. And yeah, even aside that, aside this particular data, no. You see, this lithium deal by the idea was to have it with Ghana for sorry tears. Oh. Yes, he am 5% in as for no. He did the press conference and says, I lithium near Ghana for there. Pa, I am withdrawing, we are going back to engage the people of this country, and at the end of the day, we will come back. Makasa said a good leader, and then you'll be on your mistake. A good leader is on make a step, not a nipa can or draw back and they make corrective way. Yeti Kroma say, and the Mahuna Co Kroma say, Ken Ofori Atta, yes, I'm Pamela see ya. MPP for no Mujijira say, or Muni Ken Ofori Atta no, the measures of Munya Lusu primaries. Eugene Boakye your MPs and why Kumase, Yagwako to know. And Kumase, how often do people lose their seat? But because or Kasi Yam Pumpkin. For a time, you could too if you ho. He let the buyer. And then you know, sorry, tia. Or more than ye cake catchers, or markers on my pass, you should talk on our court. I did this answer who will chroma say. But the way mere agitation on the part of the people, because the last time Minister Soloba, he registered his frustration about it. A lot of people, Franklin Kojo and others, you may agree, you may disagree, but at the end of the day, the government says the concerns have been expressed by the people. I am taking it in good faith. I'm going back to engage the people because lithium no, and Ghana for there. If that's what it is, so Nipana make it this significant mover. Was it Yampa Mufriva? And I get the galamsey. I think that there has been a lot of advances over not most. when you galamsey na beginning na say no today is different. You didn't hear a lot about it because massive improvement akoswa na mosru gusu egumurema. They are tackling people. Makacha say nobody is a magician. Open sesame and all of a sudden everything will change. It will take pragmatic step-by-step measure to be able to deal with it. We will speak against it when the government is not dealing with it. Yeah. In the past, they were giving up people licenses to go to virgin forest to go and mine. At that time, now we're China, now we're Japan. So you didn't even have the sense to ask the government to tell the minister at the time to go home. These are jokers who should not be taken serious. So for me, I think that the area as a president, he has the right to do. So Ghana for we can also suggest to the person, but it is not in the place of these jokers who recently messed up with this country, and we are still dealing with the excesses of their doing to point to who should be sacked and who should not be sacked. They should give us a break.
No crowd say I'm a boy, one of the ministers apart from what I could do.
No way in America.
A brown did 9 months on the buy, me boy nice that could feel more na me who say oh I Gyamfi. And until I will be the last person at this team. So you're born in a brochure. That's the on but for now, he's working very hard.
Dapaa mekase democracy anywhere. The foundational way are your institutions.
Yeah.
So in any your friends saying democracy be grow and mature to a certain level, no. You get in and you realize institutions have a great footholding because I don't know your pillars. Your friends have beneath the establishment and answer the democratic whole process, you know. Yeah. So anywhere over sense weak institutions, you know, it means that democracy there is fragile, just hanging on, and a chart or breakdown any point in time. That is why I always, you know, Yemubinum have been advocating. Say it is very important for us to build strong institutions instead of building strong men who will be operating at the behest of their personal emotions or whatever. And the institutions everywhere. In that regard, no, these institutions will be very effective and they will help us to, you know, streamline and also help us fight some of the cankers are very often popping up like corruption. And then as a forum. So with regards to petitioner, Obia submitted seeking the removal of Kissi the Office of the Special Prosecutor, Nipan Odano, and the EC boss, you know, I think that they are in line with democratic practices. Because we are not living in a country where the president will wake up a day and say, Mapamu Kofi. No. The Constitution will not allow the president to do that. And the framers of the Constitution thought it wise, such situations will definitely arise. Because with the 2 million power, they can go overboard, overdrive. And some of these, you know, windows have been created. The citizens will also have the right to exploit this avenue that has been created, to inquire whether it is possible to remove these people based on and yet a series of such happenings. My men started from Kissi Agyapong. I think that my culture of my position on the Office of the Special Prosecutor said it was a useless because the intent and the purposes for its establishment it wasn't about fighting corruption. Because my culture says in any serious democratic dispensation, if you want to fight corruption, you don't need to set up many offices. It is about the political will and the commitment on the part of the power holders. We are willing to ensure that we will crack the whip and allow institutions to work. So the very often you see multiplicity of institutions with your friends overlapping responsibilities coming in, then we are just communicating to the people out there say we are doing something, but in reality we are doing nothing. So the Special Prosecutor President Akufo Addo Asante Bediatuo received that idea, then they had a right candidate to be used to execute that agenda. Because at the time the NDC has exited power in Ghana, they needed to, go after people who had in the previous administration done A, B, C, D. So their choice at the time was Martin Amidu, who was very bitter and very angry, and they thought that they could tap into his anger, his venom, and use him against certain individuals. Martin Amidu proves that, even though he was angry, but he's a man of conviction and will not allow himself to be used in that kind of game. So he prevailed against those influences. While allowing Then at the end of the day, we all saw what happened. Then fast forward, Kissi Agyapong came in. And then it has been drama upon drama upon drama upon drama. At some point in time, he did a press conference and said the government of the day no tie my hands, and I was not allowed to work. Yeah. I have a basic principle. Say, ya for adwuma se be ye. Na se nipa na offer se be ye adwuma na say, oh, see what no kwanya. As a principled person, what you do is to announce to the whole world, resign and go home. You don't sit at the office and draw salaries, and later you come and justify why you failed. For me, that was a no-go area, but that is the kind of the justification that he gave to the people of this country, say, because Akufo Addo government did not allow him. About justification, because you walk away. That is exactly what Martin Amidu did. That is what a person of principle and higher conviction will do. You are seeking to impose your opinions on me. I'll walk away and tell you I won't do the show. Exactly. You understand? I will not sit here and kowtow to your dictates. Yeah. And then later I'll go out to tell people, so in 7 TV is not making any no yatitina na oka. Obi abehu say win nyansa. Exactly. So I was expecting him to have resigned at the time and put the government on notice. You didn't do that, but rather he was in love with the job and the goodies that were coming with it. And unfortunately for him, there hasn't been any case Kissi Agyapong from day one besi na what may lead to a successful prosecution. Meti hai me who say wa prosecute wa bebe anasa akoko from day one besi na. And all that they tell you is we have recovered money, we have saved this, we have saved with this SMLD by the very person who broke the lead on this particular case. Manasseh brought the details of it, which led to the subsequent investigation by other bodies, and then the issue became a national phenomenon, and we were discussing. So you later going to visit that particular issue, trying to put a monetary value on it, and tell the people, say, oh, they just say, you are a joke. Yeah, yet a man, a special prosecutor, Tam. As a more call war, Sudan. Ena popping no muko Cecilia Dapaa fie e ko tutu ne mpa beka che se na duku sika egumnie kika nsem bebre anno the day no issues no be yeah foolish case. It got to a point that says baby ababadru there we need to refer it to your friend saying Yoko because we have a bit of your friend saying money laundering and other stuff in it, so it is outside our remit as a special prosecutor as we speak now. The Cecilia Dapaa case has been rendered useless. It was a fertile case which the state could have prosecuted and sure that we got to the bottom of it. Cecilia Dapaa case na Kwaku saying. And there are several of such cases. And for me, sitting afar and watching Kissi Agyapong on the screen, I am told he's a very smart, intelligent lawyer. Yeah. And Omo Wachiro Omwadie school will attest to the fact he's indeed a very intelligent young man. Otchere. But yeah, I think he has a deficiency. And that deficiency is he's emotionally overbearing. Yeah. And he's unable to control his emotions. And that has overridden in the sense of reasoning. And so we see most of the press conferences, you could see clearly say, clouded with emotions instead of reasoning. And out of sheer emotions and reasoning diminish bit by bit. For instance, so since former finance minister issue by the series of press conferences are gathered. If you go through NASA was scripted now the chronology of events now had consistency in some which was a name in some so and that consistency is missing. And again, it has gotten to a point you see the office to settle personal scores and vendetta with people they are against him. Yeah. Classical example, the Martin Pebu case here. Martin has been one of the people who have been on the trenches with us, seeking to ensure we protect this estate from encroachment. Any other individual, and state, be our government, be our making sure that the minor will be disadvantaged. So he has been a soldier on the trenches. I am not saying that he's above the law. Yeah. Or can't say or can't say you have every right to take him on. Yeah. But Martin Hamidu Martin Pebu alleges that you are a corrupt person sitting at the OSP office. The thing you can do is that as someone can free say you can sue him for defamation. And again, where you require him to provide further and better particulars to justify or authenticate his position, common sense will tell you, say, because I'm say as a person and a alleged against you, your office is precluded from calling him the office of the special prosecutor. Nankasa, yeah.
OSP on them wama corruption into us here. To say ye need the alliance here be concrete session. As some no book as the chill. Why more mabaso. So there we can try na analyzing now because senior OSP we no or what fenyo no one. ECG chrono catastrophe proya or say ECG the one say ye a crop balance on my bed mupana will be because I am not sure. Not OSP near day at all. And you OSP in the OHA will be a Kutuamana 97 million. Of course, scholarship secretariat, we are fake documents and Kofaji Husika, OSP Tiho, otchere, National Service Day now Concoy. Baby, look. Adima men who Kruma. I knew my V at the airport. The share crowded the Bawumia zip line. Say, and yet, if you say, I know we are apart from that, ye Chiabusumi be $528,000. Yeah. How about Kwabena Agyapong? And this a minority becatcher say, we OSP a corruption, no? The walk catcher say, we if you are a Hopeson Timamun, send a bear attack into a house of folk near you goalkeeper. We are part as a one clear my OSP Munin in free of us. And Rapper was Assembly. Pebua was say Assembly cry. Because they are born 945 visible now on sorry for resignation letter. And I say, you need because you are so Munuiso. You are not investigating people on any corruption charges. Exactly. And only the mandate of the office or investigate corruption and corruption-related offenses. That's what the music abra. Yeah. People now, what's the we invite is on me boa me you now. Some member I don't know your time. Say one day so Jáil kasa so did that time go go. Ah, people how call them trust so. But we saw catchers so are stupid. I say we are stupid also we are stupid. Super stupid. Men from coffee go so. Say yes the Bible say we be boss who hard what I cannot train na left. We be boss who what train na left.
Na sa nkwasi a principle na ya
say we be boss me masumo ha. Na ma sa dan ha dia ma. Na ma so asi.
Modam.
Ah ono so na sumo ho. Bombi eye patu pa get to get e hona
one number 2
pebu de enra no eye so omuja na omo aye omuti na ye
amaja na aka no pay e be deja
no pay so ko mi am free am e ko you see OSP no on ne ho you must be told Ken Ofori Atta obi also chi no eye Ken Ofori Atta eye omo amabobo di so omo wie oman no yeah Onche wamo obi a ono otchere na adwe so wo ye corrupt no wasan so ready so oba wa be prove na okra aka no be a court in your judge a judge in your own court yeah wo no dey so bo na bo
na wa se
wasan so be so otena so na wo na awura de ekro be ekra ni na when young man be chin in Jefferson Sammy Dapaa no asaba had ba asaba making strategic
asaba making na so ro ha
that's okay well yeah no be kasaba hat maybe tax me to be change you try yeah who know because your position is linked to the fact that Kissi Agyapong and it is a ofuru amuni aduma and just say ageni nsem hunu kwaro
or defend and he doesn't even know how to talk
and sa OSP we dey maka also and no one be resign na nye fefefe ni nyina yenye dey move on. That's all office require any papa be amudi muntu na emu budget ye fan ko kato ni general ya kase corruption institutions in Krados no you ko shrad ne yanke kamum some person nya and ya na nya one na ya mumra ni na yanke kamum ne hu se corruption a institution die hu se ye ntu ase ane de so bo no ye de ekobo na we dey we so o anti money laundry mu we so o corruption and corruption related offenses we so human rights we dey situation no eno tie en sa ebe boye MP before they say and I'm so going the constitutional
review.
Na meti me amenu ya kodia besresa se kodia wa adwuma akofatu hosi yetu fosenye general secretary ngwana ya adwuma na gidigidi ube ya general secretary be ya and one say say I want to be adwuma. There is no constitutional amendment e betumi prepare free Ghana for three say ye $97 million akoto amena and into uchenyi anasa wa amend the constitution na you refi ni akoto abama entumi nsano. There is no MPP constitutional amendment e betumi prepare free Ghana for three say inflation at a point could do 54%. What's the constitution into no e china yem koto abama. There is no constitutional amendment to make me free Ghana for say at a point now you told you 300 cities rage ya ma maybe ko wo your friend Aisha or ko wo you about on 300 cities kon kontompo second important mo so you told you 300 and Akufo Addo nipa wo nya ice water. There is no constitutional there is no constitutional amendment a bet me assess the fact say Ken Ofori Atta or this why born into what Daniel free on my and no better than papa. Share some dear ye kaya ye says Capudio a better than constitution now one man no a bet me papa. More than more to aba munyandu bia we si we born in one guy. We si we the 16 we si we the 30 we the 40. Ye free or am bechere yare obi a we abodam we autism. Ana se si akura de eldemua ye friend attach ya. Ghana for the motherfucker. Okay.
Mate.
Wo elder wo bechere o be campaign chere ya. O si Ghana for the motherfucker. Baby a campaign I could do no. And uti some of one no more ye. No we know who you. Ya to be say Yako a 7 December ya na 1 year. Yeah. That's a come say 2 or 3 days so. One say still Ghana for the omobu for MPP so. Yeah. They say wo mo ni ya omodi e fam no. Na nya ho grosso. Na mama be good banks bebree. Amendment pan betumi asese free nkofo mu say no ye adwuma Royal Bank, o ye adwuma Unibank, o ye adwuma Capital Bank, o ye adwuma UT Bank, o ye adwuma Heritage Bank, o ye adwuma all these banks ye gu no what if you won ye adwuma. Now so ko ye constitutional amendment ni the refi. How is it going to erase that? Ana pedi bi anso ni party no. Dear Kenya, and we and the way for we and wahro bia bronye fa Kennedy wahro na because obi edu obi atem kwasibotwe young man
kete ne ma me kora me ne yepe
can you na wa just na dia ya no cross san kora we nyina so ya bere wo party na atchere no ya nwu ho no mo but on beto Mahamadu Bawumia because Bawumia na kase no nka party no ntira asa amanfrafo aba party mu o mu nim kwa kora ntino omo se no omo se no so awi and the party the only thing also go ba na omo ye say omo kase ye gudo obi abeje de share se wo na omo medom UP but e beduru ho okay shese and party yes rerun wo mo ya pandai omo headache pa yes rerun na obo ye wo but say be yom Kwaku campaign already nyinam on say pani bi anim ti no mo ye internal elections ono so ono support Bawumia yeah ana omo north area tribal politics etia Brian ne Kennedy yeah on say nyame on pebone ana by election a rerun ade aba eti Kennedy for say okay someone say Bawumia there bibia ba northern side all the be winning nyina
yeah
eji won gongoji to me yimbra kenne nyindam ni tipa nyina ne say be ya Bawumia oni credibility wo no obi kwa kwaji to me no aba enu ntina omatam omoni oma omode ko Supreme Court afi the technicalities say emra omo file case no kra na 21 days no apa meanwhile one kasa wa affidavit in opposition wa affidavit ade oppose plaintiff ne you know wa wo kire wo yindam na kire ye say Electoral Commission gazetted results on the 6th of January.
Yeah.
And the 6th of January 21 plus 6 as year 27.
27.
It is a filing case on the 25th. My mistake.
Only a mistake.
Because the judge said, I didn't know that. The governor said, your money in Koye. Now, be a witness over the Supreme Court. Now, when your minority leader to me a press conference, I said, I did judiciary in the atom. What do you get the way strategy bedo nyan kwada dwene e da party egu a baby a wo kwakọ pepere ye no wunyan kwakwa ne ye buabua no akase obekasa wo
kangaroo court
na wasanso aba be di watem wuye wasa akọ adwene ba yi abra wo e na anu ye a wonko ne Ghana ni lawyer ni a ye ma sa 12 o'clock by 3 o'clock la kuta results onu kwa ni Ghana ni a wo tumi ma Supreme Court to try say Friday Supreme Court for trial na wo wie ya
Asante Bediatuo
Asante Bediatuo mate mi wa case e hye na Akufo Addo na president na tokonu na chief justice so to na asane judge no kra o te se obi ye na adwo obedi boni a na se tokonu ana na pese di boni se o se judge na nya papa dia na se tokonu na share akofa judge onye se government bedi boni so no kra ye ntiana April year 2025 year Obuasi East returning officer the car say NDC Samuel Aboagye winning omo tam court car say no MBB ne winning na sa ta kangaroo court ni yo another mpre nya court ya o se kangaroo ya e the car say another mpre dey na NDC go nya strategy crowd say ga wo opportunity so be tun mo so Obuasi East your friend is Mahamadu Addo no atena ho near the awo ni na wo de ba kwa we kwa yen ka so obi elusu yes ya ba na mo koto ye no akinyu aba ho mo nsan gongo ye ne bio nyendam oso we ni by 3,700 something ba na nipa etu afiri kro no aye 10% of the voter population and yes mo mesen san ko bio to aba no ma we ya asem
enya asem bia ehu
ko election ya afidi adane Boakye bidi eni atembidi eni akika no mbe yes because party no eni year chese sunsum bia nimbio etu na ofiri akwatia ba ya buru wani susie ya a wunya hu ho so ya sa kasa by heart ye na akwatia ba ye say na omo so Ghana fo afio onko akwatia de nisi
fumfram
so Ghana fo afio
ane
enuti omo sa start Ghana fo afio ade nyame ncha de ba kwa sa be topandai
mon kwaje me ehwe
se do me bia ma omo gabo no me ma tu nyendam fo se wanya kakra bi wo the bank account o ma fa go to mprede on fa go a mistake esa say you can lose 2 days at ube lose seat na say lose sika na sa party friend MBB unya go di opposition na woni bibia ye come there be deal
and sadly that guy is a gentleman the way he has conducted himself
because you see Pandana Ngasa, you know, no original MBB.
Yeah.
Because Pandaya traditionally NDC seat.
Yeah.
Omu wini ya to 2012. Ana nyinam ebe independent candidate. Such as
yeah.
Enuti samu nyinam na nim say look. Cecilia no nyome wo hono so kwa. Obede, obelusu. Enuti MBB di omasem de nyame na ya adom wa Akufo Addo tiase a egu a papa pani wo hwe a egu a mani agye se satan ye kana no wogu no ofisi ye ntuskedifu okay ya na no wasa slange wo ye wo tudu han ye ya wo slange wie so eno nti eye.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.